In this video, I have prepared for you 3 exercises to practice conjugation of the regular ER verbs in Spanish. Before every exercise, I will give you some instructions. On this slide, you can see the verbs with which we are going to work today. The verb beber means to drink, leer means to read, comer means to eat, vender means to sell, aprender means to learn. Now please pause the video and try to conjugate the verb beber. When you are ready, check the results with me. Now you can see the conjugated forms of the verb beber. Bebo, bebes, bebe, bebemos, bebéis, beben. We have to remove the ending er, then we have the stem beb, and we have to add the endings o, s, e, emos, eis, en. Let's move to the second exercise. In this exercise, you should fill in the correct verb forms. So please pause the video and try to do this exercise. When you are ready, check the results with me. Let's see the results. To and the verb beber. So we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem beb. And we have to add the new ending es. So the correct form is tu bebes. Then ella and the verb leer. So again, we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem le, and we have to add the ending e. So the correct form is ella le. Then ellos and the verb comer. So again, we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem com, and we have to add the new ending en. So the correct form is ellos comen. Then nosotros and the verb vender. So again, we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem vend, and we have to add the new ending hemos. So the correct form is nosotros vendemos. Then yo and the verb aprender. So we remove the ending er. We have the stem aprend, and we have to add the ending o. So then the correct form is yo aprendo. Then vosotros and the verb beber. So again, we have to remove the ending er. Then we have the stem beb, and we have to add the new ending eis. So the correct form is vosotros bebéis. And then yo and the verb comer. So again, we remove the ending er. Then we have the stem com, and we have to add the new ending o. So it means yo como. Tu bebes means you drink. Ella le means she reads. Ellos comen means they eat. Nosotros vendemos means we sell. Yo aprendo means I learn. Vosotros bebéis means you drink. Yo como means I eat. Let's move to the last exercise. In this exercise, you should try to translate these phrases. So please pause the video and try to translate them. When you are ready, check then the results with me. He drinks means él bebe. I learn means yo aprendo. She reads means ella lee. They sell means ellos venden. We eat means nosotros comemos. You drink means tu bebes. I read means yo leo. He eats, él come. You could also translate these phrases without personal pronouns, because in Spanish it's not common or required to use them. So the correct answers will be also bebe, aprendo, le, venden, comemos, bebes, Leo, come. That's everything I've prepared for you today. I hope you translated and filled in all the exercises without any mistakes. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, so please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for getting more content. Thank you. Bye.